So this project here is the Washroom Tracker.travel. It's going to be a new website that's coming up. Basically, it's going to have a map, and then it's going to have crowdsourced locations for public washrooms, the opening hours for those washrooms, and the level of cleanliness to make sure you can always go on the go. Kind of proud of that tagline. Basically right now it's just a placeholder repository. It's a private repository, so you're getting a little look behind the scenes, and pretty much what's happening here is I'm just starting to get washrooms, figure out where they are, kind of record all of that data, so that way it can be added to the website when the website is actually released. For right now, it would require development with a map and all of that kind of stuff, so I don't have time really to do that right now. Currently working on the Passive Tracker project, but once that project's done, this will be the next one to go. As you can see, it's pretty basic, just Washroom Tracker here. All of the information is going to go into an individual JSON file for every washroom. So here's the toilet location, Tetuiuc, Canada, the latitude, the longitude, the cleanliness on a rating of 1 to 5, the opening hour in 24-hour time. So actually, now that I look at this should have a 0 in front here. And then the closing hour, also in 24-hour time, it's 1900 hours. And the always open, well, obviously if it has an opening hour and a closing hour, it's not obviously open, so it is false. Now, this is just an example, but there will be actual toilets in these with actual information at some point. So all of that stuff right now is in the issues area, and each one of the washrooms has its own issue, and then it gets a little link. So it's got latitude, longitude. There was no cleanliness rating for this one, the link to it on Google Maps, and then it can be assigned labels. So this one has assigned a label of free, but we'll go to one that's got a little more information here, like these ones in Switzerland. So there's washrooms all over Switzerland that are free for public use, and they're quite clean as well. This is more of a general thing, but yeah, like I said, I would rate their cleanliness as about 5. They're always open, and they're free. We can go into one that's a specific washroom here at the Capitoline Museums. There is latitude and longitude. There was someone watching the washrooms. Here's the link to them on Google Maps or on Wikipedia. And here's some information. They're rated for 5 of cleanliness, and they are free. So if that's a project you want to contribute to, let me know, leave a comment or something like that, and we can consider opening this project up to the public. For right now, it's just an issue database pretty much. Once the actual website is there, people will be able to submit them to the website. They'll automatically have their JSON file added to the GitHub repository using GitHub Actions, and then they'll all start showing up on the map. So that way you'll be able to figure out where you can go on the go.